everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks. I am Jeannie. I'm so excited because today I got my BoxyCharm Base Box for the month of May. My premium box has also already been shipped out and I'm expecting to receive that on Friday. Also today I did receive another one of my BoxyCharm pop-up orders, and I have another pop-up order that's going to be here tomorrow. Still, none of the ones, not the one that I got today and not the one that I'm getting tomorrow, are not the biggest one that I have. So there's still one more that has not been shipped out yet, and that is the biggest one, the one I'm most excited for. So of course it's the last one to come, but what are you gonna do? So anyways, I'm just super excited to have this. And before we jump into the unboxing, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos, because we do all the great things over here. We unbox BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm Premium, Ipsy, and Ipsy Bag Plus. Also pop-up sales for both Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and much, much more. Makeup looks, makeup tutorials, makeup and skincare reviews. I also take reviews. If there's anything you would like to see me recreate, please never hesitate to send me a message, because I would absolutely love to do that for any of you that have a request. But the best part of it all is monthly giveaways. The items for the giveaways come from my BoxyCharm Premium, both of my Ipsy bags, and pop-up sales. And when I'm out shopping, if there's something cute that I find to add to the monthly giveaway, then I definitely will always do that. So if you have not yet subscribed, then please don't forget to do that before you leave. So anyways, let's just get into the, oh yeah, one more thing before jumping into the video. If you're interested in knowing what I have on today, I used my Marc Jacobs Iconic Eyeshadow Palette in Extravagance. I'm in love with this palette. I got it a week or so ago because Marc Jacobs Beauty line is going out of business. All of his items are 50% off, and I grabbed a few of them, and I'm kind of sad because now I found a palette that I'm absolutely in love with and probably will not be able to repurchase it. However, I am enjoying using it while I have it. Also, I was out at Sam's Club today with my very best friend, shout out to him, and we were getting diapers and stuff like that for my kids, and I found this NARS. It's the NARS Afterglow lipstick in Orgasm, or is it like a lip glow, anyways, it's called Afterglow. I think it's a lip balm, but this is in Orgasm. And first of all, the packaging is freaking adorable, like rose gold, and it's got the little where it snaps. I just love that. I love that sound. I don't know, something about it. It's like, woo, bougie makeup. Anyways, but look at this color. It is freaking gorgeous. I love it. And you guys, this stuff literally feels like silk on your lips. It's not waxy feeling, which I can't stand that. So anyways, I am super excited to have gotten this. I was able to pick it up for $23 there. I think they normally cost $28 or $29. So a little bit of a savings with that, which I'm always happy to be able to buy something at a discount. But anyways, was super excited to see that there. That is what I have on right now. So without further ado, let's just jump into the box. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, which I'm sure if you're watching my channel, you are familiar with BoxyCharm. It is a monthly subscription box. The base box, the one that I have right here, costs $25, and it's got 5 full-size beauty products that get sent right to your door every month, and you are able to customize one item in the box. This box was 1.2 pounds. And the theme card for the month of June is Dare to Dazzle. And then on the other side of the card, we do have all of the items that are in my particular box variation and the retail value of each item and a little bit of information about each thing. So I will jump right in with my choice item for this month. It was by Able Skincare, and it is the Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. Now, I look at it like this. This cream retails for $114. My Pomeranian is spazzing out. Anyhow, so this retails for $114, and I know that there's going to be some makeup products in my box. So when I see a skincare product that has a high retail value for one of my choice items, a lot of times, 9 times out of 10, unless there's something else that I like can't live without, I'm probably going to choose that because I feel like I'm really getting a bang for my buck. Remember, I'm paying $25 for this bag, and this alone costs $114, and plus I just love skincare. Getting a little bit older, 36 in July, and I don't want like these first signs of aging that are happening. I want them to disappear. So I'm all about my skincare products. And a little information about this. It says the cream aims to restore skin's balance and infuse deep hydration and nourishment. It also works to improve skin texture while lessening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So there you have it, $114. This just paid for my box 4 times over. So really happy with this. Of course, I chose it, so I knew it was going to be in the box, but I'm still really happy to have it and give it a try. So moving along, I'm also really excited for this. This is a Glam Glow product, and all of the variations that I've seen so far, they all included this. So this looks like maybe something that everybody might be getting. I don't know for sure, but this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. It's clearing cream to foam cleanser, and this retails for $32. It says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin and removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So Glam Glow has great products as far as I'm concerned. Everything I've ever tried from them, I absolutely loved. I don't think I've tried anything from them that I didn't particularly like. So of course, I'm always happy to get something from them in a subscription box. So we have that. And also with this, with BoxyCharm, you're always getting full-size products. It's not where with like the $12 Ipsy bag where you're getting deluxe samples. These are all full-size products, but this particular product has like a full 5 ounces of product. So this is a good size product. And yeah, so I'll probably be giving that a try for the first time tonight. I'm really excited for that. The next item in the box is from Touch and Soul, and this is Glowdient. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Glowdient? I think it's Glowdient. So this is from Touch and Soul, and it retails for $34. It does say that it's a new launch from them. It is Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. This multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Ooh. So I did see this on some of the other YouTubers that get their boxes sent in PR. I saw this already, so I knew that I was going to like it. I will say the packaging feels super bougie. It feels really cute. It's like, it doesn't feel cheaply made, which I really like. There is a really nice mirror in it, and the colors are beautiful. It's just a beautiful highlight palette. Trying to catch an angle where it really shows it nicely. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. I own a couple things from Touch and Soul, and I like them. I know I've got the it's like a little 3 eyeshadow topper thing from them, which I do like. I reach for it from time to time. It's not something that I reach for every day, but yeah, I like it, and I'm excited to give this one a try. I do like Touch and Soul, so yeah. Alrighty, moving on to the next product. This is by Jecca Black, and it says Hydrate Primer. It does say that it is vegan friendly and cruelty free. It says that it retails for $20, and a little information about it. It says, finally, a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. Okay, so I absolutely love primers. I have so many of them. Some are like super, super high-end. Some of them are drugstore primers, but your makeup is only going to look as good as your base, as good as your skin. So a really great primer, especially when you are a little bit older, is key to beautiful makeup. So this is not one that I have tried. I'm still not sure, is it like a moisturizer or a primer, or is it both? Anyways, it's not something that I've tried before, and I am excited to try it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it retails for $20. And then the very last item in the box is from Luna Magic Beauty. It's Va Va Voom Pink Lash Primer. I'm about this product. I haven't tried it yet, but like I've tried a lot of lash primers, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I have never really found one that I was like super into or anything. I don't know why. And then even more recently, lately, I'm really getting into adding false lashes to my looks, where before I was really more of a mascara girl, and all of a sudden I'm just really into putting lashes on. So not that I don't want the product or that I don't like it, but it's not like the most exciting thing to me when you pull it out. It is pink. So it retails for $25. It is a new launch for them. And it says that with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on evenly to coat and smooth your lashes and maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It is a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative I'm not even going to pretend to know that word. I'm just going to move on, which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. So anyways, I will definitely be giving it a try just for shits and giggles. But like I said before, I have yet to find a lash primer that I absolutely love. So we'll see. It's not like I have super high hopes for it. But anyways, that is my base box for the month of June. And all in all, I am pretty happy with it. It definitely is worth $25 to me. Absolutely. And just the fact that like it's a super fun thing to like, you know that every month you're going to have a box of makeup on your door. It's just a super fun thing, makeup and skincare. And I love it. I love BoxyCharm. I love Ipsy. And yeah, I'm happy with this box. So I also do have my BoxyCharm pop-up order, the one that arrived today, and I am going to film a video just to show you what is in that order. So if you're interested in seeing the goodies that I got in that order, I'm going to link that video in the description box below, or you can just look for it. I'm going to be uploading these two videos at the same time, so they'll be right next to each other in my line of videos. But if you are interested, I will also link it in the description box below, and I'll see you there.